Today we are reviewing the INKEE Gold Crow Air 30C inflatable light for those creators who need flexibility, be able to be creative in small places. Stay tuned. Hello, welcome to the channel. If you're new, I hope you subscribe. A lot of filmmaking stuff on my channel, tutorials, tips, and of course, camera equipment reviews. Today we have the INKEE inflatable lights. I like it. I really like it. If you want to see how they perform, first of all, go and check my cinematography tutorial, which I have done reproducing a scene from the Joker 2019 only with these two lights. It was a lot of fun. What are they? Of course, the name says it as always, 30 GB. 30 stands for 30 watts. RGB light, inflatable, which is the fun part. I was skeptical about these inflatable lights, but I've been working on massive film sets in the past 2-3 years, like Hollywood quality productions, right? And I've seen this type of lights being used on those sets as well, because they're very flexible and creative, and you can use them in small spaces. That's why I like them. Internal battery, you can use them for fill light, but also sometimes key light. That's what I've seen on set. That's what I've done for the Joker video as well. Practical lights as well. Lot of cool features. We're gonna check them out. We are starting with the unboxing. In the box, you will get the light. Look at that. You can fit 10 in your backpack. They come with this rubbish bag, carrying bag. You've got the usual instruction manual, a tiny pump, a magnetic adapter, 1/4 inch thread. We're gonna check it out in a second. USB-C to USB cable to charge your light. Okay, build and design. Okay, so this is an inflatable airbag made by TPU. So it's a mix of plastic, silicone, I guess, and all that jazz. Just to be nature friendly. And we can either blow it with the tiny pump. That sounds like something else. But it's just easier to do it like this, old school beach style. 2 seconds, guys. So cool. This is also a diffusion layer, so you don't need anything else. But I would like, my friends from INKEE, I would love a grid. Please make a grid for this, because it's a game changer. Otherwise, I had to create with flags and stuff. But if we had something built for that, helpful. Pros of having something inflatable, it's very light and packageable. Is that a word? Portable. As we're talking about the body and the design, the build, that kind of stuff, we have a hook here to, of course, hang your light on a stand, for example. But I think one of the handiest features of the light is the magnets, because that was attached via magnets to my stand. Any metal surface, and again, check the Joker video. So handy, you can stick it up here somewhere if you had a frame or something. Being magnetic, also, we mentioned the adapter here, 2 magnets. You can see the magnets at the back of the light too. 2 right here and 1 at the top, and they just stick like that. So now you can place this horizontally, for example, on a stand, or facing down again if you want to hang it from the ceiling, stuff like that. Do you know what I mean? Practical lights. They also are rainwater resistant, so you can use them outdoor even if there's a bit of drizzle and rain, which is great. Anything else on the body here? We have the USB-C, again, sealed for weather conditions. That's your USB-C input to charge the internal battery. Buttons, a display, it's quite small, but that's what you need. As the Gold Crow 150, we have the same unlocking mode. So you wanna press the power button and then press and hold it for 3 seconds to exit the airplane mode. There, of course, I don't know how to call this thing. The hole to blow air inside. Let's talk about the dimensions and the weight of this thing. And once again, 88 centimeters, more or less in terms of length. And we've got 10 of width. Very light, 370 grams each. Let's discuss the modes of the 30 here. So we've got RGB mode. You can control the HSI, hue, saturation, intensity by scrolling up and down, left and right. If we double press the power button, then we are going to go to the effects mode. We got 16 built-in effects. Okay, the usual effects. If we press 3 times, we switch to CCT mode, correlated color temperature. So we go exactly from up to, look at that, 10,000 Kelvin down to, I do it with you, bicolor light, wow, 1800. Power option, we mentioned we have an internal battery. We can run up to 70 minutes. You can still run it as you're using it via the USB-C port, and it will take more or less 90 minutes to fully charge. Operating modes, once again, I mentioned the buttons here. I try with the up and it's not working for these lights either. So something must be done by the brand to make them work remotely. Price, you can find them online at 85 British pound. Links in the description as always. Conclusion here, guys. You might have understood I love these lights, I really do. Compared to the 150 I talked about in the previous video, that wasn't one of my favorites, but definitely I'm going to use this a lot for my creative work. Because of all these features, literally everything, RGB, CCT, I've got effects, it's really light, inflatable, there's a softbox built in, there are magnets, and because they are light, I can use them anywhere. I can place them on metal surfaces. It's really gonna be helpful, to be honest. So, good stuff. Check it out if you can. If you have one, let me know what you think about them, how you use them as well. I'm always interested in learning from other creators as well. Hope the video helped. Hope you subscribe and follow up the journey. Take it easy. Thank you.